Hapo sasa wananiona. Sisi watagundua naangalia huko sana. Mana simu. Sasa sisi tuko kwa ofisi bwana. Wow. Are you fine? I'm really sorry. I was just checking one. I want to start streaming. Where are you from? I'm from Kenya. Tester, Tribe, Indian. I'm from Kenya. Yeah. Just keep on watching, guys. I see you. Thank you so much. This is Maka Mugenda. I want to start streaming. Yeah. Already now. This is a vibe. This is a morning vibe. Yes. Why? No. No. No, I'm not married. Yeah, keep on watching this Maka Muganda. I see test trial also in the vibe. You want to give me a wife? Poor. Ricky Tank also in the vibe. I see Sisse. I'm older. Yeah, I'm old enough. I see Prince. Pinchas also the vibe from Narok. Say good morning. Obukanu. Say good morning. Nabari Gani. Yeah, Jonathan Odongo. Auga, Patrick also on the vibe. Say good morning. Nandi, good morning. Yeah, this is a morning vibe with Nyatiti. Piches also on the vibe. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, this is a morning vibe just after the screen. Because now we have already starting morning, right? Yeah, you have to wake up. Yeah. Yeah. Sheila Berry. Just continue tap tapping the screen. Friend of Kaka. I see Denmark. I don't chase. I like to be chased. Yeah. Yeah, morning guns. I see you more Beckles on the vibe, someone might with Nyatiti. Good morning, Sanvo. Good morning, Piche. Yeah, friend from Narok also the vibe. Hey, I see Jackson also in the vibe. Oh no, no, bye bye. Yeah. Good morning, Allen. Good morning, Allen. Good morning, Allen. Nice. I see Chano. Africa time system now is morning back. Good morning. Oh yeah, okay. Musa. Allen. I see sir. Allen. Yeah. Tessa also in the vibe. I'm poor, not rich. Not rich. Honorable Denny. Honorable Denny. Yeah, I see what Anna Agisa also in the vibe. Agisa morning. Feeling morning. Yeah, this is a morning vibe with instrument from Lakeside. Nyatiti. CD, Aleni. Oyaore. I see Gigo. Oyaore Museve. Matthew Ariaga also in the vibe. We gonna dance. Kevo. We gonna dance. People from Narok also in the vibe. Always here, bro. Hope you are once forgotten. Allen, how can I forget you, bro? And you are the best of the best. Yeah, just keep on watching, Allen. I see. Also check on YouTube. I see some people are watching now on YouTube. Mayo. Mayo. Agisa also in the vibe. And now you gonna shake your head. West Coastal also in the vibe. Maui, West Coastal, Joy also in the vibe. West Coastal, thank you so much. West Coastal, I see West Coastal. Karibu bro, yeah. West Coastal, I see. Don't worry. Put down your comment if you're watching on YouTube. Ajimore, nitakupea Ken utanipea samaki. Hello, utanipea samaki. I know from Canada. I'm really sorry, Western Coastal. Yelele, ololo, yelele. Yelele, ololo, yelele. Yelele, ololo, yelele. Yelele, ololo, yelele. Hello, West Coastal. Yeah. Certain orange is being just by high better than. Go down low. Go down low. Yeah, guys, morning everyone who is watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. As usual, I do Afrofusion music. The instrument is a traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, Nyatiti is an instrument from western part of Kenya. Please check on YouTube. Subscribe. Share the link. Tap the screen. Kill me with the gift now. Nyatiti, and remember this is a vibe, morning vibe. Yeah, by the time you wake up, you have to say thank you, God. Yeah, before you continue with your things. Yeah, Stella, Amishi, love it. Yeah, right now I just want to start singing my vernacular. More, I see more. I care. You want to man, yeah. This is a vibe. I'm in coastal. Oh, mama, you be. Oh, mama, you be. Yeah. Oh, mama, you be. Ha ha ha. Bitches. Oh, baba. Yeah. Oh, baba, Mumbe bitches. Bitches, sana, nana. Benado, Gatua. San. Ha ha. Bitches, sana, nana. Bitches, sana, nana. Yeah. West Coast. North Coast. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, God just bless us, bless all of us. Victoria also in the vibe. I see labels. Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. Alpha. Oh, Jim. Yeah. Meshi. Meshi from Watamu. Kill me now with the gift. Meshi. Kijanaki. Obama bless all of us. Yeah. Oh, Mungu tuji. Oh, Mungu. Yeah, oh, Mungu. Yeah. Oh, God. God bless all of us. Yeah. Aye. God bless all of us. Watch it. Yeah, by the time they can ask you where are you, Wale, thank you so much, Wale. Wale, by the time they ask you where are you from, where are you, what are you doing, tell them. Yeah, Kale, Ndugu Monica. Wale also in the vibe. Yeah, Jiro, wake up. Jiro, wake up. Yeah, wake up. Ha ha. Wallace. Yeah. I see Ike. Wallace, wake up. Vincent, wake up. If you wanna be respected, wake up. Wake up. Hello, I'm also wake up. Wake up. My brother, wake up. I see Ricky Tricky. Eh? Some more, some jam, some more. Joy, thank you, some more. Victoria. Oh, Mungu. Yeah, oh, Mungu tubariki. God bless all of us. We're struggling to change our life. Oh, Mungu. Yeah. I see. Okay, wake up. Thank you so much, okay. Yeah, Vicky, Vicky Media, Vicky. Media Royal. Yeah. Oh, Mungu Jube. Oh, yeah. Sometimes you have to say. Yeah. Hello. Captain also in the bar. Lizzie. Otuma. Ili. Baba. KC, morning vibe. Bilie Baba. How are you, Lizzie? Oh, Lizzie. Ya fundi. Oh, Mungu. Yeah. Are you ready? Kijana bado. Yeah. Tony Nyarun Omera Makako Yele Yele Man of God, good like string. Man of God, yeah. Yeah. God is everything morning. Mungu anaweza. Yeah. God give more. God give. This is a morning vibe. Shadow dance. Did you know make the dance? Yeah. Shadow. Yeah. I see. Yes. Guys, check on YouTube. Subscribe, please. I need your support on YouTube. Reborn, the same name I use in TikTok is Maka Mugenda. Same in YouTube. Habari yako Mugenda, labda uko poa. Filie. Wake up. Yeah, G. Chase money. Chase money. Shadow. Chase money. Yeah. Chase money. Chase money. Shadow chase money. If you want to be respected, if you want to be respected, God, my brother chase money. Feel it? Chase money. Ni shadow chase money. When you chase women, you will lose money. Young man, yeah. When you chase money, you never lose women. Chase money. Nyaboke. You have to chase money to be respected, to be Nara. Emma, Malia. Yo, brother, shadows on the vibe. Me chase money, Emma. JJ, yeah. I saw you. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. The same name, Maka Mugenda, on YouTube. Shadow, bye bye. Shadow, bye bye. Shadow, bye bye. Shadow, yeah. Morning vibe with Maka Mugenda, guys. I love you so much, guys. I love you. I don't know how to appreciate your love, Matanga Arsenal. What do you expect Arsenal fans to do for you? Want Arsenal fans to kill me? Yeah, Sheman. These are Luo. I just say chase money. Yeah, there's a vibe, guys. This is a morning vibe. Morning vibe with Nyatiti. Yeah, wake up, guys. This is Maka Mugenda. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, please. I beg. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda, the same name I use. Yeah, let's continue the vibe now. Just 1 minute. Yeah, let's continue. Yeah, thank you so much. I see some love emoji. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, I'll just call it love. Shadow. I see shoe. Sumak. Su morning. Su. You know I'm a Luo. I see Su. You call it shoe. Yeah, I keep on. The morning vibe. Pull it. Hey, also on the vibe. Let's continue the vibe. Tony Musa, morning, Suya. Yeah. Yeah. You are out. Miriam also in the vibe. Miriam also in the vibe. I see you. Suya. I dancing. Mark dance. Yeah. If you don't like it, I don't know what to say. Yeah, dance. Atoti. Yeah. I see people from Brazil. John also here from Brazil. John, yeah. Lolo, my oh. John, nobody. Everybody gonna be bamba. I soon. Yeah. Mark, yeah. So jame. Atoti Shema. Atoti. Yeah. Shema no mera. Atoti jame. Can you dance? Can you dance? Yeah. Abarigani. Nzuri sana. This a morning vibe. I gonna kill you with Nyatiti. Hey, Omera, guy from Narok. Forget about my titi. Hey, I told him hell. Yeah, I told you pinches. I told you Hawaii. Nisum more beauty, smile. The lady more beauty, so yeah. Ananga makeup, so yeah. Ananga makeup. She was not born, and she was created Monday. Haha. Aliumbon Monday. Yeah. I wish I see your mother. If you wanna be billionaire, pinches, you have to chill with a beautiful lady like Shumak. Yeah. Niesu. Yeah. Atotia. Narmaro. Hola. I see wa começar. Suki. Check on YouTube, subscribe guys. Panama Rati. Ya, ana makeup yawa. Su anakuwa na makeup aje yawa. Maro, huyu ni Maro. Nyawano. This morning, how are you? I'm fine. Yeah. Now I'm coming. Don't worry. Go time is the best. Alfie, which type of music start? First of all, these are traditional, you know. I don't do copyright, I'm really sorry. I see Cinda. Mugendo penya yo. Mugendo penya lo. Yeah. Awere maro mama. Hello, hey Sumak. Do you know Maro? Do you know Maro? I'm from Kenya Mera. Niya Maro, tinaluang na di ma'am. Yeah. Kano ruako elo Maro biro ruaki. Suya. I'm really sorry, guys. That's my vernacular now. Yeah. Kano ruako Maro biro ruaki. Ongeyo kata Mungu Maro mam. Yeah. Yosu mama. Hello. I know they don't understand, but they enjoy. That's the thing about music. Yeah. I see Cinda. Cindy. Hello. Mama. Sammy, my brother, have you seen Maro Chiel? Eh? Bonnie, have you seen Maro? Hello? Pichel baba. Namwimbia subwana. Anaitwa Maro, yani inamaanisha yani mama ya msichana ukioa, yani by the time you marry. Write them there in English. Correct. Yeah, mama. So mama, I gonna pay you. Yeah, I see my pictures to my brother from Narok in the vine. Pictures, can you dance, coaches? I see coaches. Oyore. Yeah, tomorrow miela, ni maro tom. Yeah, hello. I'm not. Hey, Omera, I'm not marrying now. Hey, Winnie. Winnie, have you seen Sue? Yeah, we know. I do it. My daughter married in Luland. Yeah, mama, mama. Yeah, we know na mama. Have you seen Rosa? Rosa also in the vine. So mama, yeah, yeah. Yololo. So mama, Abraham also in the vine. Again. Yeah. Waduda. Are you ready? Can you dance it? Tamina. I see Winona. From California. Yeah, baba. Yeah, baba. Yeah, baba. Yetuni. Hey, you go summer bwana. Hey. Guys, check on YouTube, please. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. After this, it's called Maka Mugenda, the same name I use in TikTok. Goodbye, Sumalo. Goodbye, Sumaro. Yeah! Have you seen our daughter? She's more beauty like her mother. Yes, mama. Yes, mama. Arude! From Burkina Faso, say hi to Traore. Rudegi Baba, say hi to Traore. Yeah, I see Burkina Faso. The guy from Burkina. Yeah, mama, goodbye, so mama. Kulawa. Yeah, Burkina guys, say hi to Traore. We respect that guy so much. I just say we respect. I don't have to say a lot of things. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Tap the screen. Keep on watching. Check on YouTube. Subscribe, please. I have 134 people watching now. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. That's how you can promote local talent. Please, please, please. Rosa, wonderful Ethiopia, Mama boy, Mama boy. Yeah, Ethiopia now. I have a friend in Ethiopia by the name Winter. Sandra also in the vibe. What do you want to say, Nicole? Brazil also Landro. Yeah, Mugendo Fuenga. I've seen Rosa, ni Rosale, ni Rosama, ni Mommy. Pari pari, tap the screen, guy. Rosa, can you dance? Kim also in the vibe. Let's go now. Florence also in the vibe. The same name, Maka Mugenda. The same name I use now on TikTok. Maka Mugenda, that's the YouTube name. I need someone who knows to dance now. I need someone who knows to dance. Please, please. Kota. Yeah. I need one name. I don't know who to sing to. I speak Lendro. Portuguese. Okay. Yeah. Ezekiel. Yeah. Lendro Baba. Lendro Baba. Anissa. I gonna sing to Anissa. Anissa, Anissa, Mama Blue, Mama Blue, Jimmo. You know Anissa, Anissa Lily. Yeah. Are you ready? Have you gone to Ethiopia? Junior, Halima, yeah? Tap the screen, kill me with the gift now. This is the time. By the time you are shaking, you are dancing. I'm continuing. Junior, yeah. Halima, ole. Alisa, yeah. In Ethiopia. Douglas Omera, how are you? Tap the screen, kill me with the gift now. Rosa, Dago. Yeah, GK, government of Kenya also the vibe. Kore, Alima, Dago. Yeah, Golosa. Yeah, where is Anissa? I wake up in the morning. Yeah, I'll give you that song. City. Kore. Daktai. Ingomba. Yeah. Desire. I totally gone down. Anissa. I totally gone down. Hey. Mama boy. Hey. Hello. Galawum. Whoa. Anissa, kill me with the gift. Kilomera, thank you so much for clapping. I see Kisumu tuko ndara. Yeah. Halima. How are you, Halima? Just be patient. Yeah, this song. Oguda. Yeah, this song is about Kisumu. Yeah, Kisumu is one of our key city here in Kenya. It's along Lake region, Lake Victoria. Halima. Yeah, kill me now with the gift, guys. It's a very nice city where there's a lot of beautiful ladies. Yeah, ladies with a big nyash. Beautiful lady there from Kisumu. There's also tilapia from Kisumu. Yeah, world connection. World connection. I need your connection, world connection. I don't know which connection is that. Oloa. Let's continue. Aya atimunale Dodongugero Kisumo. Yeah. Aya itera de Kisumo. Yeah. Aya itera de Kisumo. Kisumo vero Kisumo. Itera de Kisumo. We know now, can you come, Kisumo? Yeah, Kisumo, vero, Kisumo. That Kisumo is fine. Ay, tera diamba Kisumo. Anissa, Kisumo, vero, Kisumo. Itera diamba Kisumo. Oh no, we know now, can you come, Kisumo? Yeah, along Lake Victoria, we call it Kisumu. Anadwaro kenda, ongenga matera. Anadwaro kenda, ongenga mate. Inido, jadala inido, ngadunga inido. Ay, tera diamba Kisumo. Yeah. Kisumo vero, Kisumo. Itera diamba oliamo. Ah. Numbuta metunya witaya. Itera diamba Kisumo. Guys, check on YouTube. Anadwaro kenda, ongenga matera. Ah. Inido, ngadunga inido, ngadunga inido. Ay, tera diamba Kisumo. Yeah, and now wait yo. Lake Kanyabori, Danny, I was in Kanyabori by the way. Yeah, that's a long time. Check on YouTube, subscribe on my YouTube channel, please. It's Maka Mugenda, Maka with M-A-K-A space Mugenda. In case you want to buy instrument, I also sell the instruments. In case you want to learn more about instrument, I'm a teacher also. I teach people how to play. Yeah, boda boda. Yeah, boda boda. So ikondele kanyo. Yeah, let's continue with the vibe. Check on YouTube, subscribe. There's a lot of people watching now on YouTube. Yeah, it's Maka Mugenda. I see we know. Yeah. Yeah. Mama, I see Songari. Sangare Baba. Sangare Baba. Ah. Kadua. Sangare Baba. Nicolas. Nico. Sangare Baba. You have a nice smile, make you follow happy. Sangare Baba, Sangare, yeah, Mia, hello, morning Mia, are you fine? Have you seen Nona? Ah, British. Yeah, let me sing for Jesus, British. Babaji. Yeah, Babaji. By the time you talk about God, you talk about Jesus. I can't deny your request, bro. Babaji, British Babaji. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Alka. Your teach computer and we're fine. You know, we have to dance. Now we are dancing to our Christ, Jesus. If you love Jesus, just tap the screen. Also kill me with a some likes. Some. Yeah, I need some gift now. British also in the vibe. Yeah, this is a request. British is the one who did that. I have decided, oh my God, to follow Jesus. Yeah. I have decided, oh my God, to follow Jesus. Yeah. LN. I have decided, oh my God, to follow Jesus. Ross, I'm coming. Yeah, Babaji. I have decided, oh my God, to preach the gospel. Miliano tua. Don't be mama. Rosarele. Yeah, Rosabalo. Gonna bamba. Yeah, Dagi. I see. Kagda. I have decided you're free. Jamaica, yeah, Jamaica fix also in the vibe. To follow Jesus, yeah, to follow Jesus, to preach the gospel, to preach His gospel. Yeah. Can you ask yourself one question? Without Jesus, yeah. Jamaica, you are nothing. Without Christ, my brother, you are nothing. Yeah. Without God, you are nothing. Video, respect better than done. Without Jesus, without God, yeah, you are nothing. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Hey, are you ready? Yeah. Jesus is my protector. I don't care. Jesus is my protector. I don't care. Yeah. If you say Jesus is your protector, you are in a nice place. Oh Lord. I have decided to say Gamba Jamari. Jamie, yeah, Jamie. Let me tell you something. If you want to beat your enemy, hello, pray. If you want to defeat your enemy, pray. Jamie, pray. Pray. nothing than prayer. Wololo, I sing as Zamili. Nothing than prayer, nothing than prayer. Wololo. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. This is Makam Genda. We continue the vibe. This is a morning vibe. I love you so much. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys. Yee! Mosoi! If you like it, just stay there. You know what I do, guys? You can't buy. Let me tell you one thing. You can't buy happiness, guys. That's it. Yeah, but me, I just give you happiness with music. That's the only thing that I can offer. Now. CPA, Loyal Orphanage, Jackie, Ramo. Let's continue now with the vibe. Jammer, ni jammer, jammer pink. Yeah. I like the beat. I like the beat. The beat just go with your name. Ni jammer, ni jammer. Dirangu. Jammer, hello, are you dancing? Are you Matthew? Are you dancing? Hello, yeah, beautiful name, beautiful vibe, beautiful face, Jammer. Hello, Mago also the vibe, Jemukama. Jemogama, TikToker, Rental, Tino Baba, yeah, Tino Baba, Tino, Rogamolo Gaga, Timo. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. Why? Matthew, by the time you're alive, nobody care. What you are doing, nobody care, brother. But let me tell you one thing. So, yeah, Jammer, I'll call you Jammer. Jammerifix, amazing. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. When you die, Alex. When you are alive, Maggie, nobody care. I see Sue. Tomato mama, Mosa, Nimaro mama. Can you dance? Yeah, friend from Ethiopia. Ethiopian Baba, Ethiopian, Yankee. Abura. Amaro. Yeah, don't go. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. Thank you so much, Jamerific. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Yeah, thank you so much. May God bless you, Jameri. I don't know how to appreciate your time. This is a very nice vibe because there's a morning vibe. Here we are in morning, but now you have to rest, guys. Thank you so much. I know people from US now, they are nice and night now. Truth teller. Hey. Amera, truth teller, you have to talk to me, by the way. Truth teller, you have to tell me something. Just tell me the truth. Never lie to me. Loy. Check. Modern. Yelele keno peña, ya tuma kenia Tondo, amizila, nyakenuja. Ni wololo nyakenuja. Mesha imbaba. Lesie. Aingola sintu nyakenuja. Yeah. Where are you, nyakenuja? Are you? Jet. Paulo. Nyakenuja. Cat family. Yeah, mama suye. Maxu, ay mama. Umemwona nyakenuja. Mama su, maro mama. Have you seen nyakenuja? Hey, umbe yuko maju. Hey, bodyguard. Yelele su mama. Su mama kulangoma. Nyakenuja, where are you? Yeah. Ah. Nyakenuja baba, uko majua kuna kusota. Kumawai baba yeah. Nyakenuja nitume namba. Ni amasu atume namba. Hata tuma dola yeah. Nyakenuja nitume dola, nitume namba, ama nitume nini, PayPal. Yelele ay mama. Nyakenuja dance baba. Wololo baba, wololo baba. Wololo baba, wololo yeah. Mi wololo nyakenuja. Wololo nyakenu yeah. I see soon. So now it's dancing. Ha. Tomorrow mama anacheza nyatiti good. Wololo hai mama. Hopa dia yeah. Dinde hunge. Good morning nyakenuja. Lakini unitumie hata dola yawa. Hey. Yeah, ama huyo jamaa ameenda naye, ama Trump ameenda naye. Ni wolono makofwenya. Yeah. Yawasu kulangoma. Loi kulangoma. Yeah, kulangobo. Gogo baba kulangoma. Nyakenuja. Mlade. Shurebo. Eri baba kulangombonye. Yeah. Tinde onge. That's Maka Mugenda, guys. Thank you so much. This Maka with MAKA Space Mugenda. Just keep on watching. Yeah. On Nana also in the vibe. Yeah, we are continuing see soon. Yeah, Maro tonade Maro. Wachane. Maro. Yeah. Hello? Bentier? Julie. I see money. Michael. Apostle. Bwana Yesu asifiwe bwana. If you know to dance, that's a bit. Yeah. You are really good on Nyatiti. Nyakenucha, asante sana. Hata ungenirushia hapo dola 3 bwana. Hata dola 4 bwana. Yeah. There we go. Nyakenucha, we try by you. Leonard from Menes. Hello? Leonard outside the bar. Minnesota. Eroñose, Yakenucha. Yakisi. Yeah. Yakenucha yawa. Karamana Yakisi. Hello. Daki. Yakenucha yawa. Karamana jirani. Semeji. Manuel. Nia. Jamia. Mabenzilele. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Some people cannot sleep without saying, Mama, do they love my papa? Sometimes at the end, love us separate. It's Nicole Nyatiti. I can't stay without you. Nyakenucha. Yeah. Easy malo. Easy malo. Where is Suya? Sumak Mara. Izumalo. Easy malo. Amanda. Ready? Austravak on the vibe. Austravak. Vero, yeah. Rhythm on the vibe. Tony. I see Tony passing. No, yeah. Austravak. Yeah. Costa Vaca. Yeah. Have you seen Mako? In the beginning, some people can't sleep without it. Crying. Silly bye. Yeah, I see Silly. Kaina. Silly Baba. Extrovert. The hacking. Yeah. Mapinzi lele. Jane. Mavo. Jose. I see Jose. Diana Mama. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Some people cannot sleep without saying mama. Ganjaki. In the beginning, content is a king. Yanamalo. 7. Prophet Eli. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Some people cannot sleep without saying mama. I love bamba. Hey, yummy. Mapenzi aye. No, Yojiki. Yeah. Bamba. kadada Mungu maachien. Hey, tap the screen, guys. Thank you so much. This is Maka Mugenda with the vibe. This morning vibe, guys. I remain with around. Hey, still I have a time to sing. I see, according to my time now, I have it. Now this is a time now. If you have a request, I can play for you. I can sing for you, compose a song for you. Not request of copyright. I don't do copyright because the other side, I'm in YouTube. Yeah, I'm streaming in 2 platforms, YouTube and TikTok. Please check on YouTube. Subscribe, please. Moha, Mr. Mecca also on the vibe. Yeah. Staffo. Loni. The real ascendant. Kenya also on the vibe. Uncle Jerry. Morning, Uncle. Ladybug. Yeah. Muganda Magovuenya. I see Eva. Palum Malton. Scatter for. On the right, for also on the right. Star for. Oh no, Safu. Oh no, Safu. Ha. I'll play for you before I leave. Yeah, Bimpo Junior. Abraham Babali. Abraham on the vibe. Yeah. Only good vibe. It's Jetty. Yeah, 1 minute, guys. I have to tune the instrument for those who are watching. Just don't move. I'll be back very shortly now. It's Maka Kuna Matar, Kevin Nyakundi. Yeah, guys. Thanks so much. I'll be back very shortly. I have to tune the instrument. Yeah. Hey. Man. Ratu magoyan. Galva yela chupo lakini. Hey. Mate. Hana binjo mate kuna. Kaya copyright mo ku Windows sound to ku Windows kingatoka weird bana. Yeah, bro. Retali also. How is in India? Ratan from India. Rantana Malik. Wow. Tell me, how are you? Yeah, this is Makam Genda. Let me tune the instrument now. Boa. Let me tell you my story from my blood. From my Lord. From my Lord. Anga jaboro. Bundare. From my Lord. How it is it